And,
up.
we're gonna see if we can shoot a bird. Speaking of birds,
You see one? We got those 2 pellet guns. Carter's gonna be the only person shooting right now.
well,
He's-
what we're doing right now, I don't know if y'all can see this bird or not because we don't have really good cameras, but we're back. I'm gonna take this shot and we'll talk to you, all right?
Did you see one?
Yeah, he's right. Oh, bad.
Did you get him?
Yes.
I didn't get him dropping. Did he drop from the
did.
bird? Or was he on the ground?
Well, I guess we'll just show the dead bird.
Did he fall?
Yeah. It's kind of low to the ground. But I did cut. I'm sorry, YouTube. It's pretty early, you know. But if y'all know anything about editing and stuff, please hook us up. We're like super bad at that kind of stuff. It was up here some more. We were like super bad at that type of stuff, and like we need help. So if you're good at editing, drop it in the comments, and we'll give you some money. And,
Did you shoot him?
yeah.
Let's see if we can find this one. Yeah. Yeah? You found him? Oh my god. That's the first thing we've shot for the sub so far. Hey.
This is a little Tweety bird.
Where you shoot him?
I'm not gonna show that on camera.
Let me see. Right in the gut. Oh.
Yeah, that's
Hey,
but I mean, we killed him. It was a long shot for a pellet gun. Not that bad, but
yeah, from the place all the way over there. Right here, like.
we're not gonna keep y'all too long.
How far do you think that is?
Y'all saw me, I don't know, but y'all saw me shoot a bird.
Hmm.
But like and subscribe if you like these videos. Leave suggestions, and we got Tweety bird, and
See y'all next time.
see y'all in the next one.